Hello everyone, this is Krishank Bera. I'm the product manager from the HDFC Securities, and today's webinar is on our ProTerminal. Okay, so today's session is a make study investment with our ProTerminal platform. Okay, right? So today we will understand how the ProTerminal will be helpful to investors to do the investment, and then to create an opportunity, to identify the opportunity in the market, also as well as you can create the opportunity, and we will understand one by one features. Okay, we do have a previous webinar also in this particular topic. At that time we have also covered we have covered so many features on that. So in today's webinar we will go on some details about it, right? So in the meantime, can you please write down, write down in the question box, should I do this webinar on the multi-language like Hindi or English, or should I do only with the English? Please write it in the question box. Accordingly, we will do that, right? And meantime, the more investors are, more participants are joining in this webinar. Please, thank you so much to joining this webinar. Uh, let's wait for the 1-2 minutes, so let's more participant can join. Thank you, Samartha sir. Definitely we'll do in multi-language. Thank you, Harsha ma'am. Also we will go with the English. Thank you, Raghunandan sir. Thanks for your reply. 30 minutes more, 30 seconds more, sorry. Okay, so let's start the today's session. So as you can see on my screen, so this is our HDFC Securities homepage. So today we will understand the features of the Pro Terminal, how you can opt for that, and what you how you can do the subscribe, and what are the charges for this, right? So we will understand one by one. So as you can see on the screen, this is a pre-login page. So over here, this is HDFC Securities home page, right? So here you can find options like market, research, product, personal finance, and trading. So in the product itself, you just click over here, and after that, in the first column, you can see the Pro Terminal hashtag Go Digital. In that, the second option, you can find the Pro Terminal. So just click on the Pro Terminal. It will redirect to the subscription page. You just write down your user ID, passwords, date of birth, and click on the terms and condition, and do the subscribe now. Within the 48 hours, your Pro Terminal will be subscribed. So this is how you can subscribe to the Pro Terminal. So next point is how you what are the charges for the Pro Terminal. So basically there are the two kind of charges over here. So one is 1,999 plus GST. Okay, आप 1,999 पे कर सकते हो. Otherwise we do have another limited offer we are going on, that is called the derivative value plan. So in that, what we are providing for the derivative, if you want to subscribe for the derivative value plan, click on the products, and after that in the derivative column you can find the derivative value plan in the last option. Just click there and it will redirect to the derivative value plan page. That's a cost is 200 plus GST, sorry, 199 plus GST. This is around 235 around. And in that we are giving you the 20 rupees per order in future options, zero interest on derivative margin paid as place, and free Pro Terminal. Yes, you heard it right, it's a free Pro Terminal we are providing. But there's a one condition is that you have to have a derivative privilege in your account. So if you don't have a derivative privilege in your account, so this account this particular you can't subscribe this plan. So for that you have to click on the derivative privilege, and again there is no charges for the derivative privilege. You just log in, you just click on the product again and have to click on the derivative privilege, and after it will redirect to the derivative privilege account. यहाँ से you just आपको यहाँ पे select करना है, right? You have to select over here and just click on the proceed. So आपको यहाँ पे login ID password पूछेंगे, so आपको कोई भी 4 documents आप दोगे तो automatically like you know there's a 4 document they can ask for. Either you can upload demat statement or bank statement, you can say, or income tax acknowledgement or salary slip. Any of the 4 document you can submit over here. आपका within a 48 hours आपका derivative privilege activate हो जाएगा. Then you can opt for the derivative value plan. In that we will provide you derivative in that we will provide you the pro terminal basically. Okay, so these are the features we are providing. Yes, so basically what is a ProTerminal? So those who are new into this session, so I just say them that basically we do have a two kind of platform. One is empowered, another is ProTerminal, and we do have another platform is called InvestRight, right? So like empowered is our basic platform, as you can see on the screen. So how you can off, like you know, when you log in into your account and you just write down your credential and password. After यहाँ पे आपका password रखने के बाद आप जब login करने जाओगे, so it will ask for the OTP authentication. After the OTP authentication, you can log in into this particular platform. This is called a basic platform, empowered platform. So what is the difference between advanced platform and trading? There's a basic platform and the advanced platform. So basically, यहाँ पे in the basic platform, you just only can do is buy and selling of your particular stock. Okay, but if you want to analyze this particular stock like with a fundamental way, technicals way, or you know, you can see the chart analysis and many more features is there that you can't we can't provide in our empowered one. Okay, so you only can you do is buy and selling of the stock. But if you want to look after for the charting tools and charts and option chains and buying and you want to analyze this particular stock, then you have to click onto the pro terminal. So in the blue ribbon you can see the third option in the right hand side is the pro terminal. When you click on the, if you already have a subscription in your account, just click in the pro terminal. Without any login ID password, you can switch directly to that platform. Okay, and this is our advanced setting platform. So this is a basically watch list, and today we will understand how, what are the criteria, what you can see for the value doing the investment. Okay, yeah, so let's start. Let's start with the watch list. So this is our first feature, is a watch list. Okay, so this is not a normal watch list, right? Okay, forget about the watch list. First I will just give the little introduction about the first pro terminal. Okay, so how it is work and how how it will helpful to you, right? So basically it's a platform for the healthy investor to understand an in-depth analysis of market. This platform also helps to the researcher, trader, analyst to know the past, present, and future of the market. The state-of-the-art system designed for performance, reliability, and accuracy. Gather data from thousands of sources from all over the world, presented ready to use in real-time information. So basically, you know. It gather the news related using advanced techniques, and you can say the mathematically algorithm helping you to take an accurate decision in the market. So what ProTerminal will do in normal layman language, so it will help to take a decision whether you want to go for the like short term trading, or whether you want to go for the long term investment, or it's also helpful for the those one who are doing the positional calls. So basically we make this platform for the basic to advanced one, right? So everyone can use this platform. Okay, you don't worry about it like I'm the basic one, I don't know about the much more about the market. No, this is a wrong interpretation. The thing is that अगर आप यहाँ पे basic like आप new हो market में, so it will very helpful to you because it will help to understand the numbers and logics with the all the indications and you can say the studies, वो आपको ज्यादा हेल्प कर देंगे यहाँ पे आपको समझने के लिए नंबर्स, ठीक है. So on the meantime, when I like if you have any questions, doubts, you just write them in the question box, okay, and after the session we will answer one by one, right? Okay. So as you can see on my screen, so this is a watch list. So this is not a normal watch list. This is an advanced watch list. Okay. How it is advanced? Let's compare with the empowered. So basically, in the empowered, you can only add 50 scripts in your watch list, right? So by default, 50 scripts. Like for example, if you want to segregate that particular stocks, like I want to segregate with the short term and the long term one, and another one is like I can say is like. Like for like any family members are trading in your account, so they do have other favorite scripts. So by default it's a 50, so there's a limitation on that, right? So यहाँ पे आपको segregate नहीं कर पाओगे, आपको confusion होगा when you while you do the trade, ठीक है कि like मैंने कौन से ट्रेड के लिए क्या सोच के रखा था, I remember unless and until आपको physically आपको कहीं पे note down नहीं कर रहे हो. So that's why we have come up with this feature. So in our pro terminal you can add 250 scripts by the 5 different buckets. Okay, yeah, you heard it right. So you can make your 5 different buckets and you can name there, like you can want to work the short term, long term, and in the each bucket you can add 50 scripts. That means you can total you can add 250 scripts. Okay, 250 scripts add कर सकते हो, each bucket में 50 scripts आप add on कर सकते हो, right? So how you can add scripts, how you can make a watch list. So basically there's a bucket, so you just, as you can see on the screen, in the left hand side you can see the filter. So when you click on that filter, I already make my 5 different buckets, so you just click on that one bucket, like you can yeah, so this is my bucket basically. And when you, so how you can make your watch list. So this is a symbol, is an orange color symbol. When you click in this icon, it will ask you the option for the create watch list. You just type the name and click on the save. After that the watch list will made. After, how you can add on the scripts on the watch list. So this is a blue icon, you just click on the symbols, you just click the all the company name, script name, and just click on the enter. After that that particular script will add on in your watch list itself. Okay, not only this, you can also if you want to add the attributes, like I want to see the 6-month average, 3-month average, VWAP, technical analysis, sentiment analysis, and many more. So basically we have a, you can add all the attributes in your account, in your watch list itself. Simply you used to do is, like, you have to click on this icon, the edit column icon. So when you click in this edit column, you can find all the attributes over here, and you can select it from these attributes. Like I want to add a VWAP percent, VWAP, yesterday high low, 1 week high low, 1 per month high low, right? And you can also add a delivery, 6-month average, like volumes, 5 days average volumes accordingly. The futures, options. Okay, so basically you can add on like all the, you just add the attributes, and as you can simply you can see on the watch list, and you can see the all the attributes has been added in your watch list. So you simply you can watch it from here itself. Okay, so if you want to see the day high, like मुझे यहाँ नहीं देखना है, मुझे I want to see in the first column, you can also drag it down to the first one. Okay, so you can do everything, right? So again, one more thing, like it is showing the mildly bearish. So why it is showing the mildly bearish? So basically कोई भी बता सकता है, right? It's over the mildly bearish. What are the reason behind this? Why it is showing the mildly? So when you click over, when you move the cursor over this mildly bearish, so it will give the all the description why we are showing the mildly bearish. So every problem, like whatever like analysis we are providing, we are giving with the description. So you don't have to like कंफ्यूज की, लाइक अगर अच्छा चलो इन्होंने तो बता दिया नीचे जाना है, बट क्यों नीचे जाना है, there's no logic. But yes, we are providing the logic to you. Okay, not only that, so as you can see on the screen, the 52-week high, and it's showing the edge. That means it is 52-week all-time high. It's showing you. Okay, right? After that, it will give you the technical alert, sentiment analysis. So in the some stock is showing you the downside, in some stock you the upside arrow. So if you want to see that why it's showing the downside, so when you move the cursor, it will give the all the description like price crossing below 20 days moving average bearish, right? So you can easily understood. Okay. So these are the feature we are providing the watch list. Not only that, we are also giving the predefined view. So in the predefined view, we have classified with the 5 different parameters. So one is like you can say technicals, returns, financial growth, and values. So basically, I just give the example of technical. So basically, I am the person. I am just a beginner in the market, but I don't know how. I like mostly following the tech. I was to understand the technical analysis, the chart analysis, but I don't know how to draw all the trend lines charts in trend line into the charts. So basically, like it will give you the all the levels to you in the technicals. If you click on the technicals, it will show the all the levels on the intraday. So those who are doing interested in the intraday, so we have providing the all the levels to you, so you can do the trade accordingly, right? So it is like simply, so you don't have to go to the chart. आपको chart में जाने की जरूरत नहीं है. आपको यहाँ पे आपको सारे channels and all line and you have plotted, that's not necessary and it is a waste of time. You just go over here. We are simply giving the all the levels like S1, that will be support 1, resistance 1, support 2, resistance 2, 20 days moving average, 50 days moving average, and 200 days moving average. So these are all the information we are providing in the single watch list itself. So अगर आपको पता नहीं है कि कैसे चार्ट एनालिसिस करना है, so आप यहाँ पे भी आके कर सकते हो. Okay, so this is for the those one who are simply into follow the technical analysis. For those one who are doing the fundamental studies, so यहाँ पे fundamental studies के लिए you can also see the returns. If you want to see the returns of the company, so it's giving you the 1 month return percent, 3 month return, 6 month returns, right? So these are all the return percentage we are providing in this screen. So अगर आपको sales में रखना है, it's like if you want to see the financials, so if you are believing the numbers, so you can see all the sales, operating profit, PAT ratios. Okay, and not only that, you can also watch out the growth, and you can say you can watch out the values of the company. So all the parameters we have set to you, and you can watch it in the predefined view. Okay, so आप easily study कर सकते हो, right? Also, if you like, everyone knows there's a 3,500 plus script into the NSE, and 1,000 2,000 plus scripts in the NSE and in the BSE. You can see the 3,000 plus, but there are like n number of scripts in that, so it's very difficult to track it down every stock at a time, right? So that's why what we are providing, we have also giving you the predefined watch list. Okay, so you can also see that if you want to click on the NSE equity, so in that we have made the criteria. In the criteria itself, you can see the, if you want to see the most active stock, volume gainer, price loser, so you can just make out a filter and you can easily you can watch the all the stocks, right? Okay, so we have completed the watch list. Okay, so let's take the one stock example. Okay, so how you can do the trade on that. Let's take the example of ICICI Bank Limited. Okay, so today we will take the example of ICICI Bank Limited. So how you can, what are the features you can help to take a into decision into the market, that will you understand. So in the ICICI Bank Limited, as you can see, so there is a right today the price is going on 912. So this is all into the real time. So also this providing a low high, today's low high, 52-week low high, open previous close volume. Technical signals is indicating healthy indicator is the recommendation sentiments. Okay, so this particular stock is this classic. We have like set the 8 different parameters like overview, FNO, financial, technical, news, peer, strategy, and option chain. Okay, so in the overview, if you want to see the charts, so you can also just expand this option feature, and it will redirect to the chart itself. Okay, and you can make all if you can plot your all the lines, trend lines over here. Okay, right, you can also do the buy and sell. And if you want to, so by default the 1 minute chart will open. If you want to change the time interval, time frame, so just click over here and you can change the time interval with that 15 minutes, 1 day, weekly, monthly, right? Also we have given the views, so whatever studies we have made, and that studies, what such studies you are making, you just save your study over here from the views itself. In the display you can select the 10 plus chart style, like a candle, bar, colored bar, line, hollow candle, mountain, baseline, volume candle, and all. So basically you can also try, mostly that candle and Heckinasias we are following. And then after you can move the studies. So basically the studies over here, like pivot points and Bollinger Bands and all, correct. And one more feature is that we have a feature called the multi chart. So basically it's an extension feature of our chart. So if when you click on the this feature, so side by side the 4 chart will open. Okay, so you can also make analysis with the same time frame. Also you can also compare your stress, like in the every chart you can make your studies. अब अलग चार्ट, हर चार्ट में आप अपना स्टडीज लगा सकते हो। और इधर अगर आपको एक ही चार्ट में अगर आपको स्टडीज लगा, आप सब में आईसीआईसी बैंक सिलेक्ट कर लेना, हर एक को टाइम फ्रेम से अलग डिफरेंट डिफरेंट रखना। सो इट विल हेल्प यू टू टू नो द लेवल्स लाइक इन द ईच टाइम फ्रेम। हर टाइम फ्रेम का आपको लेवल्स पता चल जाएगी यहाँ पे। ओके, right, after that you can watch out the volume. यहाँ पे आप वॉल्यूम देख सकते हो. So basically all are into the real time information. So all are into the real time information. So basically we gather the all the numbers, and you can say the information with the 35,000 plus website including NSE BSE. So we are providing the all the numbers to you over here. I can also see the valuation of the companies. So here you can find out shareholding pattern is there. So this is a very most of the important factor, the shareholding pattern over here. So you can watch it out how many promoters are how much the promoters are holding in these stocks, what are the FI and mutual funds and others, right? That basically others is like how many share trading into the market. Also we have provided the signality chart. So in that you can also see the all the see the all the charts from the 2016 to 2021. So basically you can also analyze like in the which month that this stock is giving you the n number, very good profit. So basically as you can see in the month of October it gives you the very good profit over here. Okay, after that, so we can move to the next feature, that's the FNO. So in that FNO you can find 15-minute OI built up. So it's a very important for the future one, right? And it's showing the market data. So basically it's giving you all the informations like like traded volume, open interest, and you can see the rollover, market lot, you can watch. And if you want to expand the 15-minute arbitrage, it will give you that open interest zone of every 15 minutes. Okay, give you the snap. Also, if you want to see the call and put like bar chart, like in the which strike price doing the most trade in the call and put, so basically you can also find it out from here. So basically we are don't give you any numbers, we are also giving you the chart, so it will not get confusing for the new one. Okay. Next is you can move to financials. So basically you can watch the financial of the company like health score, you can set the balance sheet, cash flow, profit and loss ratios, results, financial chart, and trend analysis. So basically this is a health score is our feature. So what is a health score? So in the health score we have classified this, we are giving the score of the stock in the 5 parameters and 25 sub parameters. So basically it's the value, growth, past, quality, and dividend. So in the value, so why we are giving the zero value to this company? Why? So when you click over here, it give me the fair value is overvalued, uh, P is expensive, book value is expensive. Okay. uh, CASA percentage, NIM percentage, and we are also giving the all the description to you basically. Okay. Not only that, we also like in the growth is like given the profit is below in today's financial like 3 CGR, profit PE ratio is above, NI is above, operating profit is above, provision is below. So these are the all informations we are giving in the description, so it's very to understand. Another is you can watch it out the balance sheets of the company. So if you have in the believe in the numbers, so you can watch the balance sheet, cash flow, profit and loss ratios, results, right? Another is a cash flow is there, right? You can watch out the cash flow of the company. Next, you can watch out the profit and loss. Okay, ratios is there, result is available, financial charts and trend analysis and all, right? So next is you can watch it on the technicals. So you can see the technical of the company again. So basically in the technical you can find the pivot levels class in the pivots, Fibonacci, umbrella. So don't worry about it if you don't know how to plot all the charts into the plot all the lines into the chart. So basically you can find it out the all the levels over here. Only you have to do is select your time frame, if you want to see the 15-minute, if you want to see the 1 hour, weekly or monthly. So basically all the information right over here like with the RSI, and also we are providing the outlook like a bearish or bullish with the exponential moving average and all. Right. Next we can move is news. So you can see the all the news of that particular company with the updates, the latest updates on the real time. So basically if any news related to the ICICI bank, so that we are providing in the single like you don't have to go to the multiple like sites like a money control, ET and business standards. So all the information providing in the single like platform. So in that platform we have what we have providing. So basically if any have a holding, अगर आपको कुछ भी updates आ रही होगा एक particular stock related, तो वो आपको आ जाएगी. So that means like आपको multiple site जाने से अच्छा, like I already mentioned कि we had mentioned like we can track up to 35,000 plus websites. So there are all of the genuine domain, don't worry about it. So अब जैसे अगर आप न्यूज देखते हो like you आप also sentiment, you can also short by your sentiments. आप sentiment से भी short कर सकते हो like in a positive sentiments like a positive that will the positive give you the positive impact into the market. So अगर आपको देखना है कि ICS like this is a news in the 9:35. अगर आपको न्यूज पूरा पढ़ना है, just click over here, so it will redirect to that site. So basically I do have a there's a company system that's why it's a restriction to me, but yes, you can also redirect to that site. Otherwise अगर आपको कोई recommendation in the last 24 hours, तो आप recommendations भी देख सकते हो. जैसे कि अगर क्लिक करोगे रिकमेंडेशन पार्ट में, तो आप रिकमेंडेशन देख सकते हो, लाइक जो भी डिफरेंट कंपनीज है, जैसे नॉट ओनली प्रोवाइडिंग आर रिकमेंडेशन, आल्सो गिविंग द रिकमेंडेशन फ्रॉम द different broker house to give the more assurance to the buy direct stock, as well as similarly we are also providing the analyst view as well, like Anu Bagchi, Sundar Sukani, or Dilip Bhatt, or you can say the Prakash Gaba. So these are the famous analysts. We also give their recommendation to you, right? Next, you can see the peer comparison. So basically, you can watch the peer comparison. So this is very important for the those wondering how the this company is moving around, is giving the opportunity as compared to the peers. So basically, we are calculating these peers into three different parts. These are quality versus value, value versus growth, and quality versus growth. Okay. Then you can see about the strategy. So you can make the strategy over here. It's basically the option strategy wizard. So basically, you can make your strategy from here itself, and whatever strategy you have made, just go to the option chain and take your calls over here. So basically, it's a option chain we are providing in the Pro Terminal. So this feature is not available in our Empower. So this is only feature available in the Pro Terminal. So you can watch the whole, you can say the option chain over here. Yeah. So this is it. So if you have any queries, doubt, questions, so write down in the questions box. So I can give you the answer one by one. Okay, Harish Rao sir, that trading stop loss feature is not available in our Pro Terminal, but then the next version we will definitely providing, and it's coming soon. So this feature is available in our Empowered platform, so you can use it from there itself. Any other questions? Okay, Raghunandan sir is asking why it is showing 50 scripts in the watch list. So, sir, the thing is like you can in the every scripts you can add 50. Okay, so if you want to create your own again watch list, you can make your 5 different buckets. In the each bucket you can add 50 scripts. Sir, आप हर buckets में 50 scripts add कर सकते हो, single bucket में नहीं. तो that means आप total 250 scripts add कर सकते हो आपके watch list में. Lalit sir is asking, there is a recommendation option for short-term return on equity. Lalit sir, actually the thing is this, like these calls are providing by our research house. So you just contact your respective relationship manager. So he can connect your call to our research team, and they can help you out in this question. Thank you. Any other questions regarding ProTerminal? Any questions, any feedback, any suggestions? And in the meantime, can you please give me the feedback of the webinar? So in the next webinar, we will improvise our session. Please give me the feedback, like how is the webinar, and what are the feedback you want to go for the ProTerminal. Okay. Dr. Mishra is asking me a request you to repeat the customization of default buckets. Okay. Uh, Dr. Mishra is like you can make your watch list, like in the empowered you can make it like there's a by default watch list of 50 scripts, like you can add 50 scripts in your watch list, right? But in our pro terminal you can add 5 different buckets. So in this, right, in as you can see on this is an icon, so you just click on this icon, you make your own watch list name. Okay, after you get this watch list, and that watch list will be added in your this particular section, and in the every watch list you can add 50 scripts. That means you can add 250 scripts in your portfolio, not in the portfolio, in the watch list, sorry. Samarth sir, we do have a many more videos of every features in our YouTube. So go to our HDFC Securities channel, YouTube channel, and we have made every video of features. Okay, and in that we have given you all the like detailed informations about the particular, you can say, features over there. You just go refer to our HDFC Securities channel. Okay, how to customize column in watch list? Uh, Ma'am, if you want to customize your watch list, so in the right hand side you can see this icon, this edit column icon. So when you click here, it will show you the all the attributes over here. You just select all the attributes whatever you want to add, and then after just click on the save changes, and uh, again go back to the watch list, and you can see the all the attributes has been added in your watch list, and you can also customize, you can also drag it down, and you can, if you want to see the like it is easily editable in your watch list itself. Welcome. Okay, so that's for it. So as you know, there's a limited time over here. So as you know, the ProTerminal is a very vast topic, so we can't cover all the detailed feature in one webinar. So we have, just stay tuned with us. So we have 2 sessions in the next week, and stay tuned with us. If you want to refer the previous webinar, you just go to our YouTube channel. you can go to our YouTube channel and you can find all the webinars over here. So with the detailed informations, right? And if you have missed this webinar, so the previous webinar you can refer for. Thank you, Mukesh sir. Uh, I hope the session was good and the great trading day ahead. If you have any queries, doubt, just contact your relationship manager or branch manager. Okay, and if you want to see the more webinars on e-margin or you can say the future options, so you just uh, you just refer to our channel as well as you just stay tuned with us. You just ask the relationship manager to give all the details. So we have a in the every week we do have a two session on every product like future you can say equity you can say the ProTerminal, right? So yeah, so great day ahead. Thank you so much. Thank you for the joining. Thanks. Yeah. Bye.